Hello friends, welcome back. Friends, today I'm going to do a reading. Let's see what your person is talking to their friends or relatives about you, whether they are talking to their friends about you and what they are telling them or what they are discussing among themselves about you. Let's see. Wow, let's see. Three of staves. This three of staves is telling me that your person is definitely discussing with their friends about you all. Maybe the person may be of opposite sex also. It's quite possible. I'm not telling it is definitely going to be another person only or of other sex or other something like that. But I feel that this person is definitely discussing about his or her feelings with their friends, and it's quite possible, I'm telling, that the person may be of opposite sex. They are only just friends, I'm telling you. They are not beyond anything, that they're just friends. They are talking a lot about you. I can say that they're discussing a lot of things about you. They are thinking each and everything about you, each and every aspect, your good aspects, bad aspects, good qualities, bad qualities. When seven of cups comes out, the person is talking too much, you can say that. They are talking too much about your personality, your behavior, your characteristics, everything they are discussing among themselves. There are so many things they're discussing, but main thing, I feel, a fertility card is coming. So maybe their person finds you very sexually attractive, or if you are male, they find you very handsome or something like that. So they are definitely sexually they are attracted towards you, that's for sure. Your person knows that you are very beautiful or very charming or very handsome, something like that, whatever gender applies to you. So that things definitely pulls your person towards you, and they are definitely telling your person is definitely telling your friends also ki I find this quality in this person very attractive, and I'm how much ever I stop to think about that, but I'm not able to stop thinking about that feature about you. So definitely these things definitely bothers your person a lot, and they even think that whether you are not sexually involved with some other person or not, this also thing is going on in your person's mind. I feel this way because they you pull them like a magnet, got me, you pull them like a magnet. So they feel that you are their property only, whether they do anything else, they are with the third party or anything else, but you should not get involved with any other person. This is their motto. What mean they that much they are attracted towards you. And this Prince of Staves card is coming in reverse, so they know that in and out energy come. Sometimes they come and talk to you, and again they run away after taking energy. They know that this thing is not going to work out. Their friends are definitely telling them that if you are going to behave in this way continuously, it is not going to work out. One day or the other, this person is going to leave you completely and go with the third party or something like that. They definitely discuss about all these things, I can say that. And the strength card is coming, so you can say that this friend of your person is giving strength to your person. They are helping them to come out of this situation. They are building their strength, you can say that, because after this your person definitely needs someone to discuss about their life, what they actually truly feel inside. If suppose a person is already in the third party, they can't tell their feelings to third party definitely. So they need some confident person in their life whom they can discuss each and everything. So definitely a person is definitely discussing about their life with them, and this person is giving them strength, you can say that. They can say the two of cups is card. So definitely they are on your person's mind. Your union is definitely on your person's mind. Maybe they must be discussing about union also, that you should go and contact this person, go at least build a friendship relationship with this person. But two of cups is not a friendship card, but definitely I feel that they must be advising your person to go and talk to you and have a good relationship with you. This is definitely their friends are telling them, they are advising your person, because they know how much they love you. Their friends know how much they love you, so because of that they are advising their person to do all these things. But the 10 of arrows card is coming. This person in this card, you can see the 9 arrows are there this way and one arrow is moving in this way. So all those 9 arrows suggest me that whatever negative things or negative thoughts they had about you, that all is going to break now, and all this going to finish completely. This one arrow is only left, but this one arrow, I feel that this arrow is of communication that can come towards you, because their friends are telling them to come towards you. They are telling them to go and talk to your person, at least how much they are going to try, how much they are going to, only one sided effort is going to be made. So at least you also try. That I am trying to say that if suppose I try to read in this way, 7 of cups and strength, thinking about you and talking about you gives a strength to your person. You can say that they think a lot about you, they talk a lot about you. This also gives us strength to them, because when we try discuss about the person we love a lot, it gives us happiness, it gives us strength, that's for sure. And fertility card, this is in on your person's mind, to have a union with you, to have sexual relationship with you, to have a family with you. This is on your person's mind. You can say that. And this in out energy is completely ending. You can say they want to end this in out energy, and they want to come in full fledged in permanent union with you. This is also in your person's mind, you can say that. So this is all going on in your person's mind and their friends discussion, you can say that. How much these discussions materialize, that's very important actually. They are definitely giving a push to your person to come towards you, ki, take a step, but this person just is not able to take a step. 8 of cups card is coming in a reverse. So this reverse card means that the person who has gone completely from your life can come back. Got me? 8 of cups is a card of person walking away from your life. So I feel 8 of cups card coming in the reverse means that the person wants to come back to you, but they are holding up this relationship. They are completely holding up the pentacles to their heart. They don't want to share what they are feeling about you. They are so stubborn actually. 4 of Pentacles is card of holding up, and they don't want to give up. They don't want to give up on you. Got me? They don't want to give up on you. And Page of Swords card is coming. So they are definitely spying you a lot on the social media or through other friends. They are definitely spying on you. And 7 of Pentacles card is coming. 7 of Pentacles, and they are definitely thinking that so much seeds they have sown, and still they are not able to get the result of this, or so much seeds you have sown and still they are not responding to you. That is also making them feel very bad, you can say that. So these things are also, this discussion is also going on in their friends, between those friends, your person and their friends. It can be more than one also, not necessarily only one friend. It can be more than one friend also. I feel this way. So let's see what's the next. Yeah, I'm telling you now, your yin yang, they are advising your person to balance this relationship, yin and yang. They are telling them that you are the perfect couple and you are made for each other. They are definitely telling your person, an angel of love. They are telling that she or he, or whoever you are watching, that person is an angel, because they think you are an angel, because how much badly they have treated with you. Then also this person is continuously caring about you. This person is continuously thinking about you, and so much unconditional love. So they feel like they are an angel of love in your person's life. They are telling them. Definitely community card is coming. Definitely some group of friends are telling your person. 2 or 3 friends also possible, I can say that, but one person is definitely that, because 3 persons I am seeing. So I can see that maybe 2 of your friends are helping your person, and they are definitely thinking about adjacent possibilities, how to contact you, or adjacent possibilities they are suggesting them, the how to maintain relationship with you, and how to start talking with you. All these things is going on in the person's mind, and their discussion. They are discussing a lot about all these things, you can say that, because adjacent possibilities card is coming. You can see that how many options. Someone is telling, hey, you do this, hey, you do that, or let us do this. They must be thinking like that. They, all this planning, you can say, all this planning and all these things are going on. They are thinking this way, but how much step your person will take, that's very important, because unless and until your person is healed completely, or you are healed completely, your divine timing has come, then only you will come together. So these discussions will keep going unless and until you are healed completely. Okay friends, hope many of you are have healed and your person comes back. Hope so. Okay friends, thanks for watching. Thanks, I love you all. Thank you.